Every city has its impact on its peripheral areas. It may be rural urban fringe or it may be rurbs. So my slide shows that impact of Jammu city on its rural urban fringe. Jammu city is the hub of all the nearby towns, and it plays an important role because it provides all it is a hub of economic, political and industrial. The rural urban fringe is a boundary or zone outside the urban area where rural and urban land use intermix. This is the area which is very difficult to demarcate it because it where the city ends and where the peripheral starts, it is just a line which demarcated by the municipal committee. It is the area where the city meets the countryside. In simple words, we can say that it is the city where meets the countryside. It is an area of transition from agriculture and other land use to urban uses. With the expansion of the population and increase in a number of migrants, the city is unable to accommodate all the people, and hence there is a physical expansion of the city in two steps. We are talking about these two steps. First one is the first step involves the occupancy of the vacant city area. Second step includes the encroachment on land areas lying outside the city limit. Usually the term for this area is used as rural urban fringe. Rural urban fringe. When we're talking about the rural urban fringe, there is some characteristics of the rural urban fringe by which we can demarcated area that because of this characteristic, this area is called rural urban fringe and this area is known as city. So there is some characteristics of the rural urban fringe. There is a vast illegal encroachment of agricultural land by residential tracts of the suburbs, including commercial, educational, extra. Industries had sporadically cropped up. People of the fringe area are overburdened because of the heavy taxes incurred to manage urban amenities. Land values have gone too high due to new construction to be borne by the medium class population. One could observe a social shift in the attitude of the people. The study area of my research is the Jammu city lies between 32 degree 44 north latitudes to 74 degree 87 degree east longitudes. With the urban expansion, new location and other linear extension along the Jammu-Pathankot and Jammu-Akhnoor roads have extended the urban limits in the form of some stay colonies. On the basis of above description of the study area, it can be well justified that this area provides suitable grounds to study rural urban fringe and the changes in it through time. We have divided the zone into two fringes. First one is inner or primary fringe, second is outer or secondary fringe. In inner fringe, I have included 5 villages which are close to the 5-kilometer areas, that is Narwalwala, Sonjwa, Chwadi, Jaluchak and Kaluchak. And in case of the secondary fringe, I have also taken 5 villages which is 5 kilometers from the peripheral area: Birpur, Mandal, Parmandal, Kanahal and Saror. The main objectives of my study is to bring out the character of the rural urban fringe area of Jammu city, to assess the demographic and transformation process that occurred through years from last 2 or 10 or 20 years, how the city how the peripheral area has changed, the impact of the city on the peripheral areas, to analyze the change in land use, land values and infrastructure facilities. In this research, I want to discuss how the rates of the lands have been increases within last 5 to 7 years. Infrastructure facilities to identify the problems and prospects of fringe area. We have also discussed about the problems of these villages or these peripheral areas. In case of the methodology, I have collected data from primary sources and the secondary sources. For the collection of primary data, random sampling was done. 5 villages were chosen from each category of fringe, that is the primary or inner fringe and secondary or outer fringe. The household survey from each sample villages was carried on by using a questionnaire. In all, 200 households were surveyed, taking 20 households from each village. The secondary data have been provided by various agencies such as government offices, Jammu Municipal Corporation, Jammu Development Authority. The census data and other records are used to get a more general picture of the population profile and employment structure. Impact on demographic characteristics. There are the number of characteristics of demographic feature characteristic which I have taken, such as literacy, standard of living, and this and that. So this is my research paper which I discussed in images. Thanks once again, students.